My name is Sarah Faegre. I'm the primary investigator of the Rota Avian Behavioral Ecology Program. The shorter name is the AGA Recovery Program for University of Washington, and today we are here at the San Diego Zoo Wildlife Alliance Rear and Release Facility. UW partners with the zoo to rear and release Mariana crows to increase the population. We have 70 breeding pairs in the wild, or approximately 300 individuals. Our partners with San Diego Zoo have so far released about 90 captive reared AGA, so these are bonus AGA to help increase the wild population, and we are just this year starting to see high rates of reproduction among those birds. This year those birds have produced 4 fledglings, and captive reared individuals make up 20% of the breeding population. It's a very exciting time to be here on Rota. It's significant because it means that the birds that San Diego Zoo is rearing and we are releasing are not only surviving, but they have normal social behavior as they're pairing and they're reproducing in the wild, which is exactly what we need them to do. It's a long-lived species. The first releases were back in 2017, and some of those birds that were released in 2017 are only just now beginning to breed. So we saw a long delay. For a while we were concerned that they had lower rates of reproduction, but what we're seeing now is even if it takes them 5 years, 6 years, they are breeding now, and so we're expecting to see the population start to increase faster. The biggest threat to the AGA is a really poorly understood inflammatory syndrome that's killing young birds. It's been researched by pathologists since 2011, but no one's been able to determine the origin, what's causing this organ failure in the birds. Right now we're leaning towards it possibly being some sort of autoimmune response. We're investigating mosquitoes. It's possible mosquito densities are causing some kind of a strong reaction in the birds. But that is causing higher rates of first-year mortality than we would like to see. Beyond that, I think the risks are mostly future risks. If there are conflicts between the AGA and the local population, there's always risks of persecution beginning again, as it did in the past when there were land use conflicts. And just risks of catastrophic problems like the brown tree snake being introduced to Rota. So the goal to downlist is actually 75 breeding pairs on Rota that is stable or increasing. So at 70 breeding pairs, back in 2013 we only had 46 pairs. So this is a really significant increase and a really significant step towards recovery. We are almost at 75 pairs. We could be at 75 pairs in just a few more years, and that would downlist it. To actually delist the species, we need the 75 pairs here and on another island. So the next step is thinking about translocations.